junction. He's very hypertonic right there. So I use a butterfly grip like this, okay? And you can do it different ways. You can do it. I first learned it was that on the opposite side, I went over there. I always did that. I do it both ways now. It's like this, the technique, when we do the cervicothoracic technique, and I'm going to show you it's not that different. So here's that. If you do that, while we get up to the cervicothoracic technique, it's just this. So that's not very far akin from this, right? I mean, it's just almost identical hand placements to do. So the CT one, you set it up on the edge, you feel, and it's just a little bit of that to get the manipulation at the CT junction. But we're going to start down here. So it's very hypertonic right here. So I'm just going to try. You just take up the slack, and probably the biggest mistake is people do this. They go up and then down. You just want to take it up and there. And it's just, if you want to practice, just use your head to do it. And it's a little bit of a twist when you do it. There. Just do it with my shoulders. So you want to drop your chest a little bit. Some people learn better doing this with their neck. It's only that. And it's all with here. It's not, my arms aren't doing the manipulations. They didn't release. I'm not going to sleep over that. There. You'll often get releases with this. I would be very careful with geriatric patients, though. I'd be gentle. I'd do something different. I'd put them on their back and do it like we learned the thoracic stuff yesterday. That's usually what I do. It depends on how big they are, or do seated techniques, or you know, etc. That kind of thing. I just, you know, the ribs are likely to break if they're osteoporotic. That's why. Ribs are, you're just more likely to break a rib than you are to break anything else on a person.